Today I will show you how to add captions to your video. Hi everyone, welcome back to IGPK. Today I am excited to share with you a simple and cost-effective way to add captions to your video using Canva. This is all for free. Captions are a great way to make your content more accessible and engaging for your audience. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process from uploading your video to Canva, creating captions, and finally downloading your video with auto-generated subtitle. Whether you are a content creator, educator, or just someone looking to enhance your videos, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started without spending a dime. So let's dive in and see how easy it is to create a caption with Canva free subscription. So first, let's go ahead and I want to show you that I have created captions for my video. Here is the video without Today I will show you how to add captions to your video, whether you are making video for YouTube. Okay, so I have generated caption for this video by simply going to Canva with free subscription, and here is the video that is generated after captions. Today I will show you how to add captions to your video. Whether you are making video for YouTube or you are creating presentation for any other purpose, you can add free caption using canva.com. Okay, now let's go ahead and show this demo live to you. Let's open an incognito mode because I want to show you how you can get to Canva. Open canva.com. Go ahead and click on start designing. Here, please note that you have signed in with your email and this is totally free. See, use your email or another service to continue with Canva. It's free. Let me log in with my email. Okay, I am logging in with my email. Let's click on continue. And now this will take me to the Canva with a free login with my email. So once I am logged in, here I want to go to create a design. When you go to create a design, you will see the option videos. Click on videos. And here we want to upload the video of this size to generate captions. Now let's go ahead and click on uploads. Once you click on upload, please directly go to videos. And here you can upload video from Google Drive, I think that's Dropbox and photos. Let's go ahead because I have video in my laptop and let's pick up the video Canva caption example. Right, we will try to generate caption for this video. Until this video is uploading, let's go ahead, scroll down and here click on apps. On apps, please type subtitles. Once you will click on subtitles, here you will get different formats to add subtitle for your video. So let's say I want to select this second subtitle that's named translate subtitle and let's click on open. Okay, once I have uploaded the video, I want to click on the caption format that I have selected and I want to click on start. This will start processing for my video. Let's go ahead and click on export. This is rendering my video now. And if you can see, hold right, larger design may take longer. So let me stop the video and we'll start again. Okay, that's perfect. Here I have an option that I want to add captions and I have different styles option here. I need it neat, I need it elegant, I need it chic, I need it classic, I need it clear, I need it bold. That's fine. Size of the text, I need it small, I need it large, I need it extra large. Let's go ahead and select large and I want to translate to English. Let's go ahead and generate it. Please wait, this can take few moments. Okay, so once I have added translate subtitles to my video, here I have option to edit that. Okay, once I have added this caption translate subtitle here, and I can see here that all of captions are generated, and here I have option if I wanna add it or update any wording in the caption. So once I have verified everything after watching and listening my this whole video, now I am ready to click on translate. This will translate our subtitles, and then we will be ready to add these translate subtitles to our video, and then we could download that video directly from Canva. Now you can see here each row represents a line of translated subtitles that you can update. You can't change this letter. So I am all good with all of these subtitles, and I am ready to click on generate video with subtitle. Now this is creating your video, and please wait, this can take few moments. Let me stop the video. Now I got the video completed. Let's see how these captions are showing here. Let me play the video. Today I will show you how to add captions to your video, whether you are let's delete this and let's add this video to the design, right? Once I click on edit to design, this will add my video here to the design. And also we could view this video in full screen. Once I will click on view in full screen, this will open me my video in
Today
another
I will
tab.
show you how to
And here you can see the captions are generated successfully and perfectly.
add captions to your video. Whether you are making video for YouTube or you are creating presentation for any other purpose.
Okay, so now the last step we want to see here, that we need this video to be downloaded, and we are ready, and we have generated captions according to our requirements. So let's go ahead on the share button, and here we will find the option to download the video. Let's click on download again. This will download our video. This depends upon the internet speed on how quickly you want to download your video after generating the captions. Oh, okay, let's say I want to download it on desktop. Let's change the name. Let's save it on desktop and click on save. Let's go ahead and verify this video captions example.
Today I will show you how to add captions to your video. Whether you are making video for YouTube or you are creating presentation.
Okay, that's perfect. You can see the screen that captions are generated perfectly today with using Canva totally free, right? That's it about today's simple and to the point and quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.